2021. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dengan senantiasa mengharapkan rahmat dan ridha Allah Subhanahu wa taala, seorang besar himpunan mahasiswa Aceh Timur ditetapkan di Aula Wali Kota Busmawe pada tanggal 20 April 2019 pukul 16.00. Pimpinan sidang tetap Musyawarah Besar Himpunan Mahasiswa Aceh Timur. Pimpinan sidang pertama Andika Bahdia. Pimpinan sidang kedua Dewi Lestari. Pimpinan sidang ketiga Rizal Abdurrahman ditandatangani.
Apapun mereka bilang, tekadku takkan hilang. Jalanku masih panjang, garis akhir yang ku pandang.
I'm sorry but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Lo siento mucho, pero me voy, porque a tu lado me di cuenta que nada soy.